Hello and welcome to LEGO MOC Masterpieces. In this video we're going to take a look at two very different but very stylish designs from Martin Redfern. Martin is a master at building classic cars, and he proves that with his two latest creations. We're gonna start by looking at the super stylish custom Dodge 1940s Cruiser. Martin has shaped this car like a piece of clay in a sculptor's hand, but using Lego to invoke all the curves. Taking a look at the reference picture I found, you can see how closely he followed the lines from the original design. His lowrider design really pushes the boundaries of making those seamless curves around the wheels. I really like how he incorporated that low-profile roof and bringing the overhang above the windscreen, giving the car that aggressive feel. By bringing the interior color out to the rest of the car, using the red wheel well pieces acting as headlamp covers, and the underlying red in the grille, he has unified this design and accentuated the slick black color throughout. Before we go any further, let's talk about that wicked front end. The way he has been able to merge the grille and slope to match the round over curved bricks that form the front of the hood is superbly done. And look at all that lovely chrome really finishing off the front end in style. On the side profile, we can see more chrome carrying through the design with those beefed up chrome exhaust pipes and decorative elements. The small black flourish on the side made from the small gear just adds a great element to break up that flat surface. It really draws the eye. And like all great designs, he has built it so that the suicide doors, hood, and trunk all open. Obviously, any old-time gangster would be proud to be rolling around in this machine, as can be seen by the great little Tommy gun build he has done in the trunk. And finally, we have the full roof lifting off to reveal the finely detailed interior. The interior is so well integrated and shaped, it is worth spending a good deal of time on it alone. Upholstered in rich red, complete with two very comfortable looking bucket seats and a pair of jump seats with the console in the middle. Those gold dial indicators and chrome throughout just set off the interior perfectly. Now we're going to move on to this poor, abandoned, beautiful beast. As brutally stylish in high contrast to its classed up counterpart, you can almost see it belching flames from the exhaust in its heyday. Unfortunately for this great piece of work, it has been left in a field to meet its end as a home for a number of animals to make their burrows and the natural elements to consume it. Still, you can see some glimmer of her past life with that great engine and faded but still intact cab. Martin did a wonderful job making this machine look extremely powerful once upon a time, but not so much with the disconnected hoses and plants growing in the engine block now. Like all of his work, the engine is detailed extremely well, and the radiator has that great teardrop shape so common to rat rods. The bolt-on headlamps are also very characteristic of these cars, and he did a wonderful job of making them look slapped on as an afterthought. Of course, what rat rod would be complete without those massively oversized back tires? All the more rubber to burn. As for the color scheme, throughout you can see he has made it appear as if the ravages of time have slowly consumed this car, from the rusty brown in the front to the sun-damaged golds in the rear. The canvas would have long ago been rotten away, so now we can easily see the faded and rather minimalistic interior one would expect to find. One of my favorite parts of this build is that characteristic bend he has in the frame, where the original frame has been Frankensteined onto the rebuilt and repurposed front end. There is just so much good to say about this build. Martin has done a fantastic job of not only nailing the fierceness and power of that rat rod, but also giving it a great aged effect. Just a beautiful build to enjoy overall. If you want to see more of Martin's works, I will include his Flickr link in the comments. He has so many of these classic style builds. He really does these to absolute perfection. If you love these, definitely go through and give your eyes a treat looking through all his designs. Thanks so much to Martin for letting us take a look at these two vehicles. I know he will be doing a whole lot more in the future, and I'm sure this won't be the last time we'll be seeing great designs like these from him. If you've liked this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share it around so others can enjoy it. We have a Patreon account if you wish to support us that way. Also, don't forget about our Play Well Bricks 1000 contest. The details are in the discussion. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.